Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video we will see the installation of the installation manager. So I have the installation folder updated with all the files. So make a directory called im, move that agent installer into the im folder. Now this is to ensure that we create a proper clean installation. Unzip and the file name if you are going to unzip. So this is going to inflate a lot of files which is in the zip file. So there are different files here which you can execute. So you have install and then you have user inst, you have group inst. Okay, there are different commands over here which you can execute. So you can see that user inst, install, and then group inst. Okay, so if you're installing it for the VAS user group, you can do group inst. If you're installing as a root user, do install. If you're installing as a user, that is VAS user, you can use the user inst. There's also one option with CCC. This is like console method where you can give the command line interface. Either you can do a silent installation or you can do a command line installation. This installation we will see only GUI installation in this part 1 video, and later we will see other parts. So here I am giving /install. You will see that you will get an error if you run /install. It will say that you need to run it as a root user. So I'm just waiting for the error to pop up. So you can see that's opening the GUI interface, and then it just like says that the administrator needs to be there if it's for Windows Server. So likewise you will get an error. So if you just run /user inst, so this should work fine for you. So this should pop up the GUI interface for you to get you install the installation manager through the GUI method. Alright, so you can see that the installation has started. I've paused the video so that we can just continue with this. So what it is going to install, it's going to install IBM Installation Manager. What version of IBM Installation Manager it's going to install? It's going to install 1.9.1.1. So that's the version it's planning to install. You can also show all the versions if you have given multiple installations are there, but this more or less works on the online repository. As we are using the local repository, you can see the repository location, which is pointing to the location where we ran this command. So it tells you what is available in that repository. Click on next and then choose the location where you want to first accept the license and then choose the location where you want to install. So just read the agreement and then accept the license. Hit the next button, and then you can see which path it's going to install. So remove the home VAS user /opt. OPT is the location to install optional installation stuff. So I'm going to install OPT IBM Installation Manager Eclipse. This is the default path, so no need to worry about it. So this is the summary page. It's seeing that it's going to take about 212 MB of a download size. Don't worry about download. It's not connecting to internet. It is just going to install it in the local machine. Now you can see that it has configured most of the languages as part of the installation. So this is basically got installed. So there is a log file also. You can view those log files and see if you have any issues while installing any of this thing. So if you just click on restart installation manager, it's going to start up the GUI of the installation manager where you can do the installation configuration of the other items using the installation manager. We will request for this window a bit later, but I'll just show you how it is done, how the interface looks like. This is the installation manager interface where you can install, upgrade, modify, roll back, and uninstall applications. Thank you for watching this video on how to install the installation manager in GUI method. Take care.